Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we have in our hands the new Nomad palette. Well, the packaging's awesome. It's like feels soft.
Oh, and it is about wildlife.
Hold on. Wildlife, you know what? You're right. We're in a safari right now. We have some wild hyenas. I just got a bug in my drink. Literally.
Let's get down. I've got a little. What is this creature called? From.
It's a chihuahua. But anyway, this is inspired by Botswana's Okavango Delta. It's like safari, animal kingdom, and here's the color story. So very neutral.
Always wanted to know what a Nomad neutral palette would look like.
Yeah, they had one.
Kind of like some, back in the day. I have all their palettes, by the way.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one is like a neutral, I would say.
Yeah.
Straight up. Except for the
greens, but I could still say neutral palette.
Yes.
I'm excited because I've been a neutral girl lately.
Yes. And I've been playing with this, and these neutrals are like elevated neutrals, like the kind of like browns that are not like boring. They're the kind of they have a little twist to them. Like that kind of. I hate saying that word, grunge, but the baby poo kind of brown that we all love.
Yeah. Grunge neutral.
And the shimmers are gorge. I've been using it.
Yeah.
And there's a really interesting color. Point that out.
Migrating zebras.
And it looks like zebras, but it swatches silver.
Like a pewter silver.
Yeah.
Actually, I haven't even swatched away. So I haven't even decided what to do. I'm excited. It's giving melt vibes.
Yes! That's what I was saying to myself. Thank you. I didn't have to say it. Yes, it is giving melt vibes.
So yeah, we're just going to be going through this. This is my first time using it, so I'm excited. We'll let you know what shades we're using, how it's performing, and yeah, so that's the plan for today. Okay, yeah, I'm in.
Okay,
let's go.
I'm going to put you down, little man.
Goodbye. Go to the safari. Go back to the wilds.
Hyenas will eat you up.
Aww.
I'm going to start with Moremi Game Reserve, the kind of...
That's what I was going to do too.
Oh, okay.
Can I?
Am
I allowed?
Yeah, we'll do it together. Just fluffy brush.
Same. I like using the grungy ones as a transition sometimes. It's a little bit more yellow than I thought it might be. In which case, I'm just going to put it lightly in my crease. Not going to do too much there. If we haven't mentioned, I don't think we have. This is based in Africa. Botswana, which is just north of South Africa, which was my geography lesson of the day. There's yours too.
And then I'm going to go in with Crash of Rhinos, which is a brown, and put it to the side, like outer V. I'm going to go in with Towering Giraffes.
Kind of mix it in there.
Okay, I'm going to use a fluffier brush and just blend them in together. Yeah, very melt vibe. Very Gemini.
Yeah. Gemini and 420.
Yeah. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, Nomad. Okay, and I'm going to even deepen it up further using Rumbling Elephants, which is like, I guess, the blackish shade, but it's more like a gray. I like how they have the prints are like the paw prints of the animals.
I'm going in with Crash of Rhinos. I think you went into that too. You could go really smoky with this if you wanted to.
Yes. Now I'm going to go in with the green, which is called Vambura Plains, and that's sort of grass green. I'm going to take a smaller brush and put it in the kind of inner corner.
I'm going under with this shade as well. What else is new? Any
With
drama?
me? Oh, with me? Oh, with you.
What else is new with me? Let me tell you guys.
Let me tell you what's new with me.
Nothing.
I planted things.
You did.
I made a little garden outside in my new spot.
Pretty.
It's nice to have just a balcony and not a whole yard.
I would love a yard.
I know, you're in your yard mode.
Because I haven't had one since being a child. It'd be nice to have one as an adult.
Yes.
And your doggy can go pee-pee. You don't have to go on the block and get yelled at by the neighbors in the night, you know? I'd be into that.
Okay, I'm about ready for my shimmer. I went underneath with Moremi Game Reserve, just underneath my eye. And now I'm going to use my fingy and go into Nile Crocodile. This is like, I think, do you think this is like the shade of shades? Or do you think it's...
What? Like the showstopper?
Yeah, as I call it, yeah.
I don't know.
I think it's a nice one. I think this has a bunch of showstoppers, to be honest. Because I really like that zebra one.
I'm going in with Honking Hippos. Dark one. To get it even darker on the lash line. I feel like my look is looking just a little muddy right now.
Okay. I'm just going to deepen up my lash line again with the elephant shade using a liner brush. Oh yeah, I don't know what to do for an inner corner. You know what? I'm not going to do zebra as much as I want to, but I like this shade Leaping what?
Leaping Lechways. I don't know what those are.
Okay. It's coppery-ish. I think it'll look cute. Yes, it does look cute.
I was thinking of going in that one too. So I'll try it.
What else is new with you? I haven't seen you in decades.
A week, maybe. I went camping.
Tell us about your camping. Was it cold?
Not too cold. It's May 2-4, as we call it in Canada.
Because it's May 2-4.
Yeah.
Do you know why? Because we call beer a 2-4 of beer.
Yeah. Like if you get a one
24
of those,
beers.
Yeah.
And
picked up a 2-4, bud.
except that it's really the Victoria, like Queen Victoria, whoever she was.
Yeah.
Her birthday is May 24th. So that's why we call it May 2-4. And sometimes it doesn't fall on the 24th, but it's the third Monday of every May.
It's very weird.
So
I don't know why, but we get a long weekend.
we got you guys. I know Americans have a long weekend.
Yeah, Memorial Day.
This weekend. And sometimes it coincides. I remember. I don't know why. Maybe not. But
It's sort of like the season opener for good weather, but in the way that it could be really shitty weather. But it's like the beginning of summer in a way, you know? And so, yeah, the weather was bad. There was a wild thunderstorm at one point with hail out of the blue. That was weird.
oh, we didn't have that.
Yeah, I don't know. I also used the shade Keystone Termites, like a little farther in, you know, and blended. Yeah, anyway, that's what I did. I camped. My sleeps were pretty good. I had some wine and then popped a gravel and conked out like a light.
That's key.
Yeah.
That's key for airplane travel, eh?
Yeah. When I was traveling in Europe, we had so many gravels because we were hungover and we were always on all these buses and trains. And I remember going around Lake Loch Ness in Scotland, and it was so long, and I was passing out in the bus. Me and my friend just like on our gravel, like, and it's like you kept waking up and you're still going around the lake and waking up and you're still. That's a big loch. I always thought it was just like a small lake, but it's big. Oh, that's where the dragons are. Is there a Nomad palette from Loch Ness? Was there? They have their castle palette, like in haunted Europe, but that'd be cool. Something very swampy, which this almost looks like. But anyway, I'm not sure about my blend here. You know, it probably just needs the contrast of the black mascara.
Yeah, the lashes.
Who am I? What am I thinking? Of course it does. I think, though, I always bring this with me with a new palette or any palette, most palettes, like a white.
For your inner corner
Like,
highlight.
yeah, just to kind of brighten up here.
Look at how you hit pan on that.
Yeah. Speaking of, if we do that video on products
hitting
with
pan.
on
I've hit pan on something that I love. And I'll tell you when we do hitting pan. It's a complexion
Okay.
product. And I'm going to buy it again.
Is it your second pan? Because if so, I know what it is.
No, it isn't. It's another product.
Hitting pan, baby.
I haven't done it with an eyeshadow.
Oh, I feel like I have.
Yeah, you have. Just right there, dirt.
Oh, right.
And your, what you do your eyebrows with.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, okay, let's mascara it up.
Yes.
Okay, we are back. And lips, I have an idea. A combo, as they say. I'm going to do melt. Not melt. MAC, turn to the left, something kind of browny, mauvey. Top it with a little bit of lip sesame from Tower 28. And a liner, a brownie, mauvey liner.
Okay. I am going to do melt. I'm going to do Sin City. This kind of deep, I think, is it from there I need a nudes? It could be, but I'm going to do a brown liner.
This liner's falling out of its body. This is my dupe for the Rare Beauty liner, which is my favorite shade, but I'm already out of. And look at it, guys. We're going to do a lip video after this. Look at this. It's out. This is why it's a rip-off to get these plastic lip liners versus Endless Cacao here. It should look like this. A lip liner should look like this, not like this when it's done.
I'm not doing that again either.
Just a bunch of plastic and then this much product.
Yeah, this is nice. You can shave this. It's wood. The way God wanted it to be.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to go in with my lipstick. I might put inside, I'm going to put in Ho is Life. Another melt nude. There we go. Done.
Okay. Ta-da!
We're off to the safari.
Yeah, this is fun. I love neutral palette.
Me too.
It's funny because you did probably the least neutral look you can do with this palette.
Yes.
Which is cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool, KP.
Yeah, thank you. MJ or whatever you're...
MJ?
I don't know. What are your initials?
EF.
EF. That's a terrible initial.
EMF.
EMF.
I've been thinking of changing my last name for a long time.
To what?
Well, I don't know. There's one time I was thinking of like your last name.
Yeah?
But then I'm thinking maybe I should invent a new last name. Because technically everyone gets their last names from their dad and I need to end the patriarchal.
Why don't you get it from your mom?
Yeah, but then she got hers from her dad.
Well, then you can get it from, go down your little history.
As far back as I can.
Yeah.
Matriarchally.
And then just add daughter.
Daughter, yeah. Well, Icelandically, like a lot of these names will have like Christine's daughter.
Oh yeah,
maybe
there
that's
you
what
go.
I'll just. Evangeline, Molly.
Oh
Kristen's
my
daughter.
God, that's amazing.
That's my last name.
Do it.
Now,
Okay.
guys. Don't wear it out. Kristen's daughter. Yeah, Chris daughter. Chris daughter? Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know what that tangent was about, but yes, I'm happy with these looks. It's a fun palette. Yeah, I think it'd be really fun to do something really deep with it. You know, really go into that chocolate brown. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really thrilled with it. It's
Yeah.
I want to say something,
It's
but it's one of my favorites.
She says that after everyone.
I think this one is my favorite.
Well, it's definitely super usable.
And it's definitely one I would travel with.
Yeah, totally.
Because I'm going to do some traveling. I didn't tell you that.
Me?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know. I looked at my points and I'm like, I can go places. I just have to get my new passport.
Okay. All right. Off
So
she
you-
goes to the safari.
Yeah. Not a safari.
No.
No, thank you.
Miami again.
No.
Mexico.
I want to... Okay. All right.
Iceland.
Yeah, I want to go to
Kristen's
the
daughter.
beach. Okay, I'll go to Iceland for a bit. All right.
Okay. Let us know in the comments down below if you picked up this palette. If you're planning to pick up this palette.
Yeah, let us know.
And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy.
Bye, witches.